Hi, thanks for checking out this video. I'm your Everyday Joe. Today I'm going to show you how I make zucchini fritters. So let's get started. Alright, so I've already shredded up the zucchini. It's just one zucchini I'm using. Probably going to get half dozen or so fritters out of it. I just used a large box shredder to make it nice strings. And I also dabbed it dry with some paper towels. You want to squeeze out as much of the water as you can, otherwise you're going to have soupy fritters. So let's get the ingredients in. Now I've already pre-cooked some sausage here, probably a third of a pound of Italian sausage meat. I've got some mozzarella cheese, some flour, got green onions, some garlic powder, onion powder, grated cheese, a couple of eggs beaten, and some fresh basil from the Aero Garden. All right, so let's get going. We're going to add a little salt and pepper here. We can always season it at the end, so we don't want to over season it here. Okay, and a little bit of Himalayan pink salt, a little bit of good olive oil, maybe about a tablespoon. All right, let's get some flour. Need a spoon. So we're going to add maybe a couple tablespoons. I'm going to eyeball it. Just mix that up. Get everything floured. Okay. Okay, get that nicely coated here. Okay, let's add some grated cheese. Maybe a tablespoon or so. Teaspoon of onion powder. Teaspoon of garlic powder, or you can use fresh garlic. Some green onions. Let's throw that in there. Yeah, about a tablespoon of that too. Let's get Italian sausage meat. Again, I've already browned it. Just non-seasoned, just get it in the pan, get it nice and brown. All right, let's give this a little toss here. Break up some of that sausage meat a little bit. So we want small pieces, or pieces that will mix in nicely. Okay, got that in there. Let's get some of this shredded mozzarella cheese. Now you can shred your own if you want. So mix that all in. Make sure it's all incorporated. All right, and let's get the eggs, the 2 beaten eggs. Let's put them in there. That's going to help bind everything and get that flour working. And you can season it with any kind of flavoring you want. You want to put some hot pepper in it, throw some hot pepper in it. That works fine. Okay. And you should have it kind of this consistency, a little on the wet side. You don't want it super dry. All right. So we're going to take some of this fresh basil. Okay. And all right. Get that in there. And let's mix that all up. All right, so I think we're good to go here. So let's get to the stovetop where I have a skillet preheating with a little bit of the leftover grease from the sausage meat, and we're going to fry this up a little bit. All right, so I'm just going to add a little bit of ghee here. Add some ghee, maybe a teaspoon. This is just a clarified butter, and I left the sausage grease in here, so we're going to add more flavoring here. So let's get all that mixed in and melted. Okay. So then we're going to take a good spoonful, large spoonful, like that. And we're going to add it nice and slowly into the oil. Okay. Again, let's make another one. Okay, I'll pack it in a little bit. Probably get about 4 or 5 into this batch. All right, so you want to make sure that they cook up and brown up nicely. So once they start pulling together, you can get in there with a spatula and just give them a flip. Give a little press down, like that. So they roast up nicely. Okay, give that another couple of minutes. Now they've cooked about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Let's take a look underneath here. So yeah, we got a good color. So we're just going to get them onto some paper towels. Like that. It's right here. So they're now on some paper towels, and you want to give it a little salt. All right, so here are the zucchini fritters. We're going to give it a taste now. So we're going to grab this top one here. Like that, while they're still nice and hot. Grab a slice of tomato right for the top there. Why not? Give it a little black pepper. A little bit more cheese. Why not? We got plenty of cheese to go around. All right, so let's just cut into this. You can taste the sausage right out of the gate. Nice flavoring into it. You get the cheese flavor. Zucchini's in there. It's all nice. The texture's nice and soft. A little bit of chew. Stringy cheese in there, if you can see that. Oh. These are really good. So normally what you can do with these, if you make a little extra, you can freeze them. Throw them in the freezer, take them out, put them in your air fryer for about 5 minutes. Get them a little toasty on the outside. Hey, great on-the-go breakfast or a good snack in the middle of the afternoon or anytime. Hope you enjoyed this video, this recipe. Nice and easy for you. Let me know in the comments section below if you've made these or if you have a different recipe that you use. Check out some of the other videos here from our playlist. Give us some likes. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We do appreciate all our subscribers and viewers. And I'll see you in the next video.